Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to a personal computer. We will cover two main ways to get your controller working: a simple wired connection using a USB cable and a wireless setup via Bluetooth. Additionally, I'll guide you through essential software like PS4 Windows and Steam's built-in support, which can enhance your gaming experience. Finally, we'll touch on some common troubleshooting tips to ensure a smooth connection. Connecting your PS4 controller with a wire is often the quickest and most straightforward method. Simply take a micro USB to USB cable, the same type used for charging your controller. Plug the smaller micro USB end into the top of your PS4 controller, and then connect the standard USB end into any open USB port on your personal computer. Your PC should typically recognize the controller automatically, and its light bar will glow steadily, indicating a successful connection. For a wireless experience, you'll use Bluetooth. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your personal computer through its settings. Next, with your PS4 controller turned off, press and hold both the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time for about 3 seconds. The light bar on your controller will begin to double flash, indicating it's in pairing mode. On your PC, go to your Bluetooth settings, click Add Bluetooth or other device, select Bluetooth, and then choose Wireless Controller from the list to complete the pairing. To get the most out of your controller, consider using software like PS4 Windows, which helps your PC recognize it as an Xbox controller for wider game compatibility. If you primarily use Steam, enable PlayStation configuration support within Steam's controller settings. If you encounter issues, first check your USB cable for damage or try a different port. For Bluetooth problems, try turning your PC's Bluetooth off and on again, or unpair and repair the controller. A quick reset of the controller, using a small pin in the back hole, can also resolve many common glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.